Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com, coming to you live from Jamaica Pond. Now, I decided to switch up the scenery a little bit because my office lighting is still in flux, and I just wanted to get out in nature. I just came from a meeting with my homie Earl Strong, and we're pretty much discussing, developing a 12-week transformation program for busy moms and dads. Like, being new fathers ourselves, we see on a daily basis what our wives have to go through. So we decided to band together and create this program where it's going to transform and change the lives of, newly parents who've, let themselves go and put their kids first. So very exciting stuff. That's the key, getting together with like-minded individuals help you see progress a lot faster. I plug some holes that he has in his online business, and he does the same, vice versa, and we're able to progress a lot faster that way. So look out for these exciting new projects that I have coming up, rolling out in August and beyond. But the cool things about this is you get to see the behind the scenes, because I'm going to be taking you through the process and hopefully help you grow along your journey, and you can see the growth in mine as well. Going to continue to take a lap around the pond, and yeah, look out for this stuff, man. It should be fun, and I'm super excited. Looking forward to building and creating. This is something that I've always wanted to do. Taking action, finally, enough talking, putting the thoughts into action. So super excited to see how this unfolds within the next 90 days as well. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla.